Hello everyone, I'm Enrique and I'm recording this video to show my concern after checking your performance in what's supposed to be happening right now in the course. As you all know, we are working with the rhetorical analysis essay, which is the foundation for the argumentative essay. It takes some reading. You have to read a whole chapter by Andrew Lansford, you have to read a resource, and you have to work on the following. I checked one of the courses and I realized that only two groups are active right now, and which means that is less than a third of the students in my class. This is one of the sections. In the other section, no student has gotten involved yet. After I was in shock to see that this was happening, especially because the group activity is divided into stages. The first stage started yesterday and would end today, Friday. And if you don't take action today, you're going to be affected. If you check by the rubrics that I attached to the activity, you realize that the criteria clearly defines the contribution, daily interaction, time management. That means that you have to be active in both stages. End result is something that you have to work together as a group, and it has to be ready before Sunday at 23:55. And so I'm sending a message, a very clear message now, that as the old saying in English, that you can lead a horse to water, but you can't make it drink. This means that I'm giving you all the material. I put together the exercises. I'm trying to help you build the foundations that you need for the rhetorical analysis essay, which is the most complex essay, not only in my class, but in general in writing, because it requires understanding appeals, it requires understanding manipulation, it requires more knowledge than you regularly require for any other essay. So, but I'm giving you all this information. I'm giving you exercises like, for example, the eighth quiz, the means of persuasion, that I gave it as a free ride for you, because I released the feedback after you complete it, meaning that you can get the top score after completion. But I can give you all this information, but if you don't use it, there is nothing I can do. So please get involved in the activity. Please join the class meaningful. Start by checking the material, because I've seen that not everyone has been checking the material. For example, here I can show you in the reports, the reports tool that I have over here in module 4 in section 1885. I can show you who has studied, who has accessed the information. And for example, here, the rhetorical analysis essay, the writing a rhetorical analysis essay, the video, 6 students, 8 students in writing a rhetorical analysis essay, the resource, the mandatory resource. 7 students have watched the video by BBC, something that you had to do on Monday. So this is really a cause for concern. You have to take action immediately, and I have here the report, and I wasn't lying when I said that I can see who has been working in the class and who has been disengaged from the class. So please take action now, today, and start working. There is a lot of work on the way. You have to complete the rewrite for the first writing assignment and upload it to the Padlet link. There are things that you have to do, and so you have to do it in time. So please be wise up, and start working. Don't procrastinate any longer.